call me overcautious, but even though all 5 or 4 breaks are down, I still like to double check, make sure all the power shut down. Mess. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 wires that are currently in this box. And the bad part about this, that's your number 10. That's your, what we call a number 14 wire. So you got 10 and 14 wire bunch up together. And in the previous video that I did on the light circuit, I was like, why are we reading 240? You got a number 10, a number 10, a number 10, a number 10. Out of one of these 10s was giving that circuit 240. So now that I split it up and you're going to continue dismantling this box, you're going to straighten out everything out. Yep. So I'm going to put this on pause, this video on pause, and try to straighten all this mess out.